It has been yet another hot, sweltering summer here in the islands, forcing people lucky enough to have to crank up their air conditioning systems. And while the demand for AC installation is high, so are calls for repairs. In fact, several air conditioning companies we reached out to say they've been so busy the wait time is 2 weeks or more. Not good when you're looking to beat the heat now. So what can you do to make sure your AC unit stays up and running smoothly? Well, Sarah Madison out there in the heat getting answers. Sarah?
Howard, we spoke to the owner of Air Solutions Hawaii, and he tells me if you have an AC unit at home, you need to take care of it like it's a car. And if it's well maintained, you won't have to wait weeks to get it fixed. Lynn Souza and her family are proud owners of a new AC unit that was installed earlier today.
It's been terribly muggy, humid out in here. I had to go outside all day until the sun goes down and it gets cooler, then I come in the house.
It's that humid, muggy weather that's creating a boom in business for people like Larry Cayetano of Air Solutions Hawaii.
My estimates is about 2 weeks out, and my installations is about 3 weeks out. Other companies are backed up till October in installations, and maybe a month in service. There's service repairs.
Cayetano tells me many times people won't use their ACs until summer, but then find that their units are not working.
Then you got a whole bunch of people calling at the same time. The demand is high.
While many companies are taking in phone calls for AC installations and repairs, there are a few preventative measures you can take so that your AC won't break down. One of them is to clean your filter.
It clogs up the blower wheel or clogs up the coil and makes the air conditioner work harder.
And like a car, you should also use your AC throughout the year. I'm told this applies to portable, split, and central units. Cayetano tells me you'll know when you need to get your split system fixed or repaired if it's not blowing cold air, it smells bad, water is leaking in the front of the unit, or dust is building up.
On top of the air conditioner, if it starts to get brown on the grills, you know that the filters are dirty.
It's these steps that will help you get the relief you want.
Now I'm happy again.
Cayetano tells me that AC filters should be changed at least once a month and that professionals should do the job because they know how to take the unit apart. Sarah Madison, KHON 2 News.